The wilderness serves as a habitat for a variety of wildlife, where animals thrive, reproduce, and hunt. Wild boars, known for their resilience and fierce nature, are common inhabitants of the wilderness. In this video, we will delve deep into the ferocity of wild boars, explore their way of life, aggressive behavior, and learn how to stay safe when encountering them in the wild. Wild boars are medium to large mammals and typically exhibit the following characteristics and lifestyle. Muscular build. Wild boars possess robust bodies with well-developed muscles, providing them with an advantage for survival in the wild. Sharp teeth. They have sharp tusks that serve not only for digging food but also as powerful weapons for self-defense and attack. Self-defense instinct. Wild boars are generally self-defensive animals. When they feel threatened, cornered, or injured, they may resort to aggressive behavior to protect themselves. Protection by sows. Sows become exceptionally vigilant when they have piglets, wholeheartedly guarding their offspring. This maternal instinct makes sows more ferocious. Seasonal aggression. During the breeding season, male wild boars may engage in fierce competition to secure mates, potentially leading to increased aggressive behavior. The degree of ferocity in wild boars varies according to circumstances and individual differences. Most wild boars prefer to flee potential threats rather than initiate attacks. However, in certain situations, they may resort to aggressive behavior, particularly when feeling cornered. When wild boars feel trapped or cornered, they may adopt an aggressive stance to protect themselves and escape. Perceiving extreme threat. Under extreme fear or when faced with a severe threat, wild boars may resort to aggressive actions. So protecting piglets. Sows go to great lengths to protect their piglets, and if they sense a threat, they may act aggressively. Encounters between wild boars and humans. Encounters between wild boars and humans are possible, especially in outdoor activities, near farmlands, or wildlife habitats. Such encounters may pose risks, but in most cases, wild boars prefer to avoid potential threats rather than engage with humans. Nonetheless, taking appropriate safety measures is crucial to reduce the likelihood of conflicts with wild boars. Here are some recommendations. Maintain a safe distance. If you encounter wild boars in the wild, maintain a sufficient distance and refrain from attempting to approach or chase them. Avoid disturbing sows and piglets. Be particularly cautious not to approach sows and their piglets, as this can provoke aggressive behavior from protective mothers. Create noise. If wild boars approach you, making noise, such as waving your arms or banging objects, can serve as a warning to deter them. Avoid feeding. Never feed wild boars, as this prevents them from becoming overly accustomed to humans and seeking human food resources. Wild boars are generally considered relatively fierce among wild animals, especially when they feel threatened or cornered. However, most wild boars prefer to evade potential threats rather than actively engage with humans. Understanding their characteristics, respecting their behavior and territory, and taking appropriate safety precautions can help us stay safe when encountering these powerful and intriguing wild animals in the wilderness. It is also a way of showing respect for nature and wildlife while contributing to the maintenance of ecological balance.